So we're back up here at the farm today. We're gonna get the tractor out of here. We're gonna get the excavator out of here and get the Argo out so we can go out to the lake and check the ice conditions. We haven't started this one in a little while, so we'll get in here and check all that stuff. A little bit. Hopefully our battery's not dead on this thing. Go through a brief rundown and starting procedure on this. This is an older style. It's got the reverse turn on the key for the glow plugs. It doesn't have automatic glow plugs on it. We'll flip the seat up here. You can see the ignition switch here. And we want to give it a little bit of throttle. Notice the master switch didn't get shut off last time we used it, so that's probably why the batteries ran down. So we're gonna throw some jumper cables on it. Alright, so we got the jumper cables hooked up to this thing. We got the jumper cables off the little Ranger pickup here. This is an older machine. It doesn't have automatic glow plugs on it. You turn the key backwards. You turn the glow plugs on. So you want to turn those glow plugs on for about 10 or 15 seconds. And then try to start it. You also want to make sure you're giving it give it a little bit of throttle. Back the idle down. You want to pull that throttle back a little bit. Oh, we finally got enough stuff out of the way so we can get back to the Argo. It's a 98 Argo 8x8 response. It's got 18 horse Briggs & Stratton in it. We got about 360 hours on it. Machine that did the vast majority of the hauling and the work out at the cabin. So, we'll see if we can get this fired up. Alright, so you can see here, this is the intersection, or this is where we've been coming from the farm out to the cabin. This is the road going ahead here. This will take us out toward the lake. We're going to go out and check the ice conditions and see if we can go maybe do some fishing today. So. Now while we're out here, I just want to take an opportunity to show you this to you guys. If you look closely, you can see these edges here. That snow is boiled up, is pushed up, and that cut edge. That's because that just with this last recent cold snap, that skimmed over. That was wide open before, all the way down around that corner. Now that was my travel passage last winter and last summer, but it's spring fed. It's extremely dangerous. And I started going out to the north way and going back around to the farm at that point, because this never freezes to the point where it's safe. The entire last winter, there was open voids in it. So this place out here, there's a lot of springs, there's a lot of current moving underneath this swamp. You got to watch where you're going and know where you're going. It's not just something to come out here and play around with. So we're gonna turn around now, and we're gonna head out to the lake, and we'll see how that looks. The part we're actually driving along on right now is actually the old abandoned township road. You can see that from that previous shot that I just gave you, how far deteriorated this road actually is. It's been abandoned for 30 plus years now, and there ain't much left. The swamp has pretty much consumed it. At the same time, it's kind of humbling when you consider that Mother Nature just took this road back. Well, let's see if we can zoom in here and see that. You can see that open void in the ice right there. That's just water coming out of the swamp. We ain't even made it to the lake yet, so now we made it out here to the opening of the lake. You can see back there, maybe where we came from. You can kind of see that little dredge channel where it takes off and heads south there. That's the drainage out of the lake. And you can see how the lake opens up out here. It's a pretty decent sized lake, 40-50 acres. Surrounded by bog. It'd be a lot bigger if the bog wasn't around the lake, but that's okay. It kind of keeps everybody out of here. So I drove out here at the opening of the lake, and I spotted it. I chopped down with my ice spot about 6 inches, and we didn't hit any water yet, so we're going to get the auger out. We're going to drill a few test holes and make some lines out here as we go, and then we'll see what the water quality is like and see if it's worth trying to come out here and do some fishing in a little while. Alright, so we drilled a couple of test holes out here. We got about 8 inches of ice. Water seems like it's clear, and I couldn't touch bottom with a 10-foot rebar, so we're going to go get some bait. We're going to go get Bob, and we're going to bring him out here and see if we can catch some fish today. Alright, so we were able to get Bob out on the lake today. Let him get a line in the water. He did catch a few fish. We didn't get a lot of time to take a video or anything of that today, but tomorrow he's got a doctor's appointment, and I got the rest of the day off, so tomorrow we'll try to get the portable ice house out there. He got a little cold today. We had to come back early. That's why we didn't have a lot of time to get video camera and that set up, but tomorrow we'll go out and get the portable set up, hopefully get him out there, get him a few more fish, and make a video of it this time.